Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, in the monthly euro dollar, I'm definitely still looking at this as likely to be an A. I still think this is three ways down for an A. B, C of B, and I still think this is going to end up going up, most likely for a trend, which I think this trend is most likely going to be an expanding wave C, which will most likely eventually take out these previous highs. So keep that in mind as we go down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I definitely am still looking at this right here as a wave 1. I think this right here is a WXY, most likely a wave 2. I personally still think we're in a wave 3, and I still think this is going to end up making a higher low, higher low, higher high, higher low, and just keep on trending up for this wave 3 of an expanding flat. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely do have a breaker structure to the downside on our daily time frame. So that tells me that on shorter time frames, I definitely should be looking for shorts in a downtrend. We do have a little bit of a Fibonacci bounce, but I still would expect to see more movement to the downside. I think we're going to go down to at least the 50 or the 61.8% before we actually do get the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, this move right here looks extremely corrective, very overlapping. Now we do have interest rate coming out, news coming out this week on Wednesday, 2 days from now, and I will be live streaming on YouTube for that interest rate news, so definitely make sure you check that out. But usually the couple days prior to the interest rate news, the market will be very slow. So I wouldn't be surprised if the euro dollar did something like this over the next day or so, and then maybe it made a push down prior to the news, and then hopefully the news will cause it to continue the uptrend. But for now, definitely looking for shorts in a downtrend. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, extremely overlapping pattern right here. I definitely think it's extremely corrective, especially compared to the move down that we see back here. So the fact that we got interest rate news coming out on Wednesday tells me there's probably a pretty good chance the market will be a little bit slow, at least the US dollar pairs will, leading up to that news. Now, if it does go down, if it does break structure, then I would definitely go short. I am definitely looking for shorts right now, based on the fact that my daily time frame is broken to the downside and the daily trend is technically down. And I would definitely expect this to go down to one of those lower Fibonacci levels I was showing on the 4 hour time frame. So for now, I definitely am looking for shorts in a downtrend. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if the market was very slow and did something like this for the next couple of days, waiting for the big news event that we got coming out on Wednesday. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.